The daily number of cases has continued to rise. Based on the current trajectory, cases in the community are now doubling about every 10 days. Depending on how the trajectory will develop, we may start to see the number of daily infections rise to more than 5,000 next week. The vast majority, however, will be asymptomatic or have very mild symptoms and can recover safely at home. Dr. Tan See Leng will give an update on the dormitory situation later. Therefore, it is important that we continue to optimize our healthcare resources and preserve our hospital beds for those who truly need them. At the same time, all of us can help by reducing our social activities. Many of you I know have already done so, and I want to thank you for your efforts. Families with seniors should take extra precautions to protect them. To our seniors, I understand some of you do need to go out and get some sun and fresh air. Please protect yourself when you do so. Remember to wear your masks and avoid crowded places and keep to safe management measures. And if you know of any seniors who have not been vaccinated, please encourage them to do so as soon as possible. We will also continue to review our border measures, and we will be making updates on 3 fronts. First, we will align our border measures with our domestic health protocols. We will shorten the SHN duration for travelers who currently need to serve a 14-day SHN to 10 days instead. This is aligned to the duration served by persons under quarantine here domestically. Second, we will update the classification of some countries and regions to take into account the evolving situation in these places. The details are provided in the press release. Third, we will make vaccination an entry requirement for all work pass and students pass holders so that we can minimize the risk to public health while allowing such workers and students to enter in a safe and calibrated manner. Minister Tan will elaborate further. Our booster program has delivered booster shots to almost 237,000 seniors now. Given the increase in infections, we want to ensure that those who work in higher risk settings can continue to enjoy high levels of protection against infection. Therefore, the Expert Committee on COVID-19 or EC19V is deliberating on expanding the booster program to include our healthcare and frontline workers and persons in other vulnerable settings. More details will be announced when ready. This has been a difficult time for all of us. Singapore remains committed to our journey towards COVID resilience, and we are using this time to put in place the necessary support systems and adjust our public health protocols to respond to the evolving situation. I hope for your understanding and support as we work towards COVID-19 resilience together.